Hi everyone, today we are going to see the topic carbohydrates. So, carbohydrates are the sugar molecules and it is one of the three main nutrients that is found mainly in foods and drinks. So, our body breaks down carbohydrates into glucose, and which is the main source of energy for our tissues, body cells, and organs. So, glucose can be used immediately or just stored in the liver and muscles for the later use. So, there are mainly three types of carbohydrates. First one is sugars, starches, and fibers. So, sugars is called simple carbohydrates. It is can be added to the candy, desserts, processed foods, and found naturally in fruits and vegetables. Where starches is made up of lots of simple sugars that is strung together. So it is also termed as complex carbohydrates. It includes bread, cereals, pasta, and certain vegetables like potatoes, peas, and corn. So fiber, it is a diet high in fiber. It may prevent the stomach or intestinal problems such as constipation. It may also help to lower down the cholesterol level and blood sugar. So fiber is also found in many foods like nuts, seeds, beans, and whole grains. Then common foods with carbohydrates includes, as I said before, grains, fruits, dairy products, and juices, regular sodas, and starchy vegetables like potato, corn, and peas. Coming to the structure, it mainly consists of carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen, and the empirical formula is CH2ON, and it can be structurally represented in three forms, that is open chain structure, hemiacetal structure, and Hawood structure. So coming to the classification, it is divided into four types: monosaccharides, disaccharides, oligosaccharides, polysaccharides. So where one sugar molecule is termed as mono, where two sugar molecules is called disaccharide, 2 to 10 sugar molecules is oligo, and 10 to more sugar molecules is polysaccharide. And following are the examples of that. Coming to the monosaccharides, it is a building block of all carbohydrates called simple sugars, and it can be polyhydroxyaldehyde or polyhydroxyketone. So the most important monosaccharides is glucose. So it can be prepared by two methods, that is from sucrose as well as from starch. So disaccharides on hydrolysis, disaccharides is two molecules of either same or different monosaccharides. So examples of most common disaccharides include sucrose, maltose, lactose, which is milk sugar, and polysaccharides contains a long monosaccharide units joined together by glycosidic linkage. So starch is main storage polysaccharide for plants, and polysaccharides also called as glycans, and it yields more than 10 molecules of monosaccharides on hydrolysis. So it can be divided into two types: heteropolysaccharides and homopolysaccharides. So coming to the differentiation, homopolysaccharides composed of same repeating units, and hetero composed of different repeating units, and it has simple structures, it have common complex structures. Single type of monosaccharides is involved in homo, and different types of monosaccharides are involved in hetero. And coming to the oligopolysaccharide, it is composed of compound sugars, and the monosaccharide units are joined by glycosidic linkage. The examples of oligosaccharides is disaccharides. It includes sucrose, lactose, maltose, and trisaccharides, which includes raffinose, ribose. So coming to the functions, carbohydrates are widely distributed in plant and animal tissues, and it is an important energy source required for the metabolic activities, and the major function includes it accessible energy to fuel cellular reactions, and it is a dietary source of energy, that is 4 kilocalories per gram, and glucose is broken down by the process of glycolysis, Krebs cycles, which yields the ATP. Mainly serves as energy stores, fuels, and metabolic intermediates, and it is also stored as glycogen in animals and starch in plants. So thank you.